Welcome to this video on the Festo CMMT-AS-C25-11A-P3-MP-S3 servo drive. This product is designed for dynamic motion control and high-precision positioning in industrial automation. The Festo CMMT-AS servo drive, with part number 8,166,887, provides high-performance 25A motion control for demanding industrial automation applications. The drive features a compact form factor and core interfaces. It includes RJ45 field bus ports for multi-protocol communication and an IP20 protection rating. A built-in mains filter simplifies panel design, and the mounting plate is designed for vertical open convection. Engineered for dynamic machine cycles, the drive operates on 3-phase 400 volts AC. It delivers a 25A continuous output with 75A peak surges for up to 2 seconds, handling demanding acceleration and heavy payload positioning with precision. The CMMT-AS offers universal factory connectivity with broad field bus support, including EtherCAT and Profinet, and extensive encoder compatibility like BIS-C, NDAT, and Hyperface. Integrated Category 4 safety protocols are a key feature. This includes SIL3 per petaliter E certified safety functions like STO, safe torque off, SLS, safely limited speed, and SBC, safe brake control. This servo drive is ideal where torque, speed, and safety intersect, such as in food and packaging, CNC machining, textile automation, and automotive assembly. The complete system architecture includes the core CMMT-AS drive unit, Festo servo motors, 24 volts DC logic power, and various accessories like the CDSB operator unit and external braking resistors. For sales and support, contact your authorized Festo partner in Coimbatore, Murali Pneumatics. We offer 100% genuine products, ready stock, and expert sizing support. You can find our contact details on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video for more updates on industrial automation products.